To speed up and simplify the process of planting onions and garlic, we are using a new tool. This tool makes multiple holes in the ground, which are of ideal dimensions. When using it, there is no need to bend over, which is another advantage. Here is how it is simply made. We need a board about 1 meter wide. We also need plastic bottles. They are usually thrown away after drinking the water. In this case, we have found a new purpose for them. First, cut the bottles with a scalpel, just as you see. Line them up on the board. I will fit the tops of 8 bottles. This means the tool will make 8 holes in the ground at once. You can influence the spacing between the onions in the row by placing the bottles at the appropriate distance on the board. Mark the place where they should stand with a marker. Then mark the center of each spot. We drill holes there for fixation. We use a heated soldering iron to make holes in the caps. In the middle of the board, we mark and drill another hole for the handle. We thread and fit screws through the holes in the caps. Then we fix the bottle tops to the board by screwing them in. This is what it looks like now that it is fixed. The only thing left is to attach the handle. And as you can see, the tool is now ready for use. Let's go directly to the garden now to test it on the ground. Before you see how the tool makes holes, we remind you to share the video with friends who love gardening. Comments are welcome. The bed for planting onions should be prepared. The soil must be soft and loose. We leave an imprint in the ground with our hole-making tool. It makes 8 holes in a row at once. Continue until you have made holes across the entire bed. The holes are of ideal dimensions for onions and garlic. The diameter and depth are perfectly suitable. For anyone planting larger quantities of onions and garlic, this tool will truly be beneficial. Here is the onion for planting, and all that remains is for us to plant it. We will share another trick with you that you might not have known. Before placing the onion in the ground, dip it in wood ash. That way you will protect it from pests. Just distribute the small onions into the holes and finally cover them with soil. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. Click the follow button, then the bell, and finally confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.